Hello and welcome to Akanksha Srivastava Foundation channel. Let's talk about disappearing messages and deleting chats. We feel very comfortable and we feel so good ki I sent something and then I deleted the message so it's gone forever, or I'm talking on disappearing chats so there is no kind of record in it. You are so wrong. जब भी कोई कंटेंट डिसअपीयर भी होता है, फिर भी डिलीट भी हो जाता है, फिर भी उसका मेटा डेटा इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. इनफैक्ट ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, they also have some amount of limited records, because tomorrow if there is a cyber investigation into any kind of case, they will be able to trace something out of that chat, that image, that visual, that record for sure. And then it's a big problem. Suppose you send me something and delete, आपने डिलीट करने के पहले ही within 1 second I can take a screenshot of it, I can forward it to myself, I can forward it to another number, I can have another device from which I can take a picture of your message and store it. I can download it. There are so many possibilities. And what happens is, जब भी कोई disappearing chat होती है, you become overconfident. You speak very loosely. You might send some intimate pictures to one another, some videos to one another, some kind of sensitive information like your bank OTPs, and you say, oh, but it disappeared, so it doesn't exist. It doesn't work like that. First rule of internet is never ever share something you cannot tolerate being recorded or being forwarded or being stored. If you're sending something on the internet, always believe that there'll be some traces somewhere. आपको अपनी sensitive information, especially intimate pictures, intimate videos, किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करने हैं और कहीं भी स्टोर नहीं करने. मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे इसके बारे में बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं. देखिए कि वो कैसे कैसे लीक हो सकती है. आपके खुद के डिवाइस से भी लीक हो सकती है. फॉरगेट एनी सोशल मीडिया. कोई भी OTPs, पिन्स, बैंकिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, पासवर्ड्स यू नेवर एवर शेयर. कोई भी इस तरह का मैसेज जो आपको आगे जाके आपकी इंटेग्रिटी को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करे या कोई आपको ब्लैकमेल कर सके, एक्सटॉर्शन, यू कैन नॉट शेयर एनी सच मैसेजेस on any kind of disappearing chats, because some amount of data, metadata, can be retained by the devices, and some amount of content records can be kept, or they can be backed up on cloud. So much can really happen, and that is why it's extremely important that you remember this golden rule. Whether it's deleting chats, whether it is disappearing chats, आप कोई भी ऐसी चीज एक दूसरे को मत भेजें जो आपको बाद में vulnerable बना सकती है. Kindly keep this in mind, and if you have any specific questions, please write to my team, teamakanksha@gmail.com. We are here to help you. Stay aware, stay safe.